Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm continuing with part 3 of this lowrider build. Let's begin. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, don't forget subscribe so you don't miss any episode of this lowrider build. Let's continue with this build. I'm gonna be applying the POR 15 to this side, also underneath the frame, which other people call it a chassis. So let's just begin. I already did this side. I just still need the front end with the POR, but I want to finish all this side so that I can start doing the front end. So let's just begin. And everything has been treated with the POR 15, the degreaser, and also the metal edge. So we are good to go. Let's do it. Right now, what I'm gonna do before starting to apply it, I did sand it down with 320 grit. And I'm gonna clean it up with some acetone. Gonna get myself a microfiber towel, clean everything up, making sure that everything is clean. Everything is clean without any residue of oils or grease or anything, which I know it's not. I did degrease it with the POR 15 and should be clean, but let's just wipe it anyways. Here we go. The POR 15 is ready to go. We have it on the gun. Let's start applying it. I am applying it with a 1.4 tip. No need to reduce. Here we go, the first coat of the POR 15. Now I am gonna wait about an hour and a half for it to dry to the touch, then come back and apply one more coat. I am applying 2 coats of the POR 15. Looking good. Let's just wait those hour and a half. It's been an hour and a half. It's good to go. Now, a lot of people are gonna be asking, why are you painting all this inside? You're not even gonna see it. 2 reasons, guys. 1, I'm gonna see it and I know that it's gonna be painted. 2, protection, guys. Protection. That's the reason. Now, I do recommend it if you want to do the job right. Do it. Don't second guess and think that nobody's gonna see it. It's gonna get protected. All right, so let's just continue with the second coat. And that is how you do that, guys. Now, I didn't paint any of this, the suspension wise, because I am going to change everything. All the arms, all the bushings, everything's going to get changed. So that's why I didn't want to put that much POR 15 to those. So everything's going to get changed underneath. These I am going to paint later on during the process, but right now I was more focused on this area. Like I mentioned, the other side has been done already, so we are good. Let me show you down here. There you go. There you go. Looks good, guys. Looks really good. Now all I need for it to dry so that we can unwrap it. But this is it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys liked it. Now let's continue with this build. Again, if you have not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel, guys. We got 1 month, the month of December, so that we can reach that 200,000 subscriber mark. I know we can do it with your help, so let's go, guys. It's free. Also, give this video a thumbs up. It helps a lot, guys. Believe me, it helps a lot. so that the algorithm of YouTube can start sharing it. All right, thank you very much, guys. Like always, have a great weekend, have a great week. I'll see you next coming weekend. Like always, stay safe and God bless.
Hands deep in the grease, call it autotherapy. Far away spray, got the drip, it's clarity. Colors so sharp, they cut through reality. Bright gleams brighter than my hungry mentality. Custom dreams, painted schemes, grind, don't stray. Far away, lit the canvas, now I paved my own way. Hard work, every stroke, till the shine holds sway.